Welcome to TenantCloud, the ultimate property management solution for small, medium, and enterprise portfolios. Whether you manage hundreds of properties or just a handful, TenantCloud is designed to grow with you. With unlimited units on all 4 plans, you have the freedom to scale without limits. And with our affordable pricing, you can have all the tools you need at your fingertips, allowing you to manage your properties in one easy place. Want to list your rentals? With TenantCloud syndication, it's easy to publish your listings to several popular sites, including the entire Rent.com network. Screen prospective tenants with ease using our wide selection background and credit checks, allowing you to access the details you need to make the right decision. When it's lease signing time, our custom lease builder and extensive collection of templates makes finalizing and sending the lease a breeze. And if your tenant is ready to move in, keep things documented with our move-in, move-out inspection tool to avoid future disputes. Handle your financials seamlessly with our end-to-end accounting features, including reconciliation and rent collection. And yes, ACH transfers are free when you offer rent reporting to your tenants. If you have a large property management team, TenantCloud offers a suite of communication tools to boost your efficiency. Whether you're assigning properties, managing tasks, tracking management fees, and more. Plus, with a separate TenantCloud app for you and your tenants, things like rent payments, maintenance requests, and general communication are a better experience for everyone. Come see what it's all about with a free 14-day trial of TenantCloud. Start simplifying your property management today.